Hello, welcome back to RTOS Logics videos. Today I am discussing briefly about embedded web servers. Imagine having the power to control various devices in an industry or a factory or a large production plant, all at your fingertips. With the magic of embedded web servers, it is possible to monitor and manage industrial processes with ease. In the heart of every industry and factory lies a complex network of devices, motors, lights, and more. Managing these systems efficiently is crucial for productivity and safety. At the core of this technology is a compact and intelligent embedded systems web server. This versatile device seamlessly integrates into your existing industrial setup, connecting to the internet and your local network. The magic begins as we access the user friendly web interface. Whether you are on a computer, tablet, or smartphone, the embedded web server's interface is accessible from anywhere just with an internet connection. Imagine being able to control and monitor your industrial devices remotely right from the palm of your hand. Okay, so what we have here, an embedded system with a processing unit, a CPU, a flash memory where the embedded web server software resides. The embedded web server software may be coded using C programming or C++ and may contain a real time operating system like VxWorks, which enables multitasking, networking, and providing security measures such as authentication and encryption and much more. So, this embedded system is connected to various devices remotely in a factory or a large production plant. And this connection to these remote devices can be wired or wireless. And on the other hand, is a web application which is connected to the web server embedded system, which provides an easy to use user interface to control devices on a click of a button. And the embedded web server software, with the help of an RTOS like VxWorks, which provides a POSIX socket library, can develop an application software using sockets to listen to the requests coming in from the remote web page. Here I have created an example web application for, let's say, fan control, light control, pump control, emergency power shutdown, etc. The power of embedded web servers doesn't end there. Real time monitoring lets us keep a close eye on critical parameters like temperature, pressure, and fluid levels. We can set alerts for any anomalies and take preventive actions before they become problems. Embedded web servers enable us to optimize energy consumption by scheduling devices to run during off peak hours. This not only reduces costs but also contributes to a greener, more eco friendly environment. We can also promptly respond to emergency situations, shutting down critical equipment in seconds if necessary. Embedded web servers empower us to ensure the well being of our factory personnel and prevent potential hazards. And here is the best part, last but not the least, embedded web servers encourage learning and experimentation. Students and learners can dive into the world of embedded systems, tinkering with codes and functionalities, expanding their skills and unlocking their potential.